Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Rich Inman, and if it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing, how to get started. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, see what else is coming down the pipeline, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate that. But today's video is how to get started with an affiliate program called HBA. Just the basic fundamentals. I want to put this document inside of the description, but also this is just so you know what you need to get started. There's four main things you want to have to start market. Mainly, you want to have a domain name because you got to have a place to send people to your landing page. Then you want an autoresponder so you can actually, once they submit their email address to the landing page, you can follow up with them. Then you want to make sure you sign up for HBA, Home Business Academy, so you can actually have a link to send, and that way you have a funnel builder that you can create with your domain name and integrate that with your autoresponder. That way you can collect the leads and have something to promote at the same time. And then number four here is a platform that we use to do mass emailing to business opportunity and make money online type leads. And so, but you want to do it in this order. So what I recommend Namecheap. I've used them for years. They give you free privacy on your domain name. And so I recommend Namecheap. Now I've worked for GoDaddy, and I worked for EIG, which I think is Digital Fold now, is years ago. But I've worked for big host companies, and in my opinion, Namecheap, you don't need to pay for privacy. Don't worry about it. Just go with some place like Namecheap and get it. One thing that's really cool about Namecheap, if you scroll down, like I've had this account for years, so I have coupons. But if you scroll down to the very bottom, they have should be coupons. Where are you at? Just do a search. They don't have it listed no more, but if you go over here and just type in Namecheap coupon, and you can see right here they have promo codes and coupons. So they always have a sale going on, so you don't have to go through an affiliate link or whatever. You can just come here and find something. Now typically they'll, at least on my account, they automatically apply that discount. But they may or may not. But this way you can actually cut it and you can use it. So definitely do that. Yeah. Let's see here. And where was I? Boom. So once you have a domain name, and you can find domain name whatever you're looking for. Some tools that might help you, like Bust a Name. I know it's a great name, but bustaname.com is a tool you can use to help you come up with a cool domain name. You can just type in what you're looking for, typically for this kind of thing, like mine's $25 funnelbusiness.com. It could be like, I've seen variations of people using $25 in there because HBA costs $25 a month. You can just do your name, for example. You can do workwithrichie.com, for example. Workwithyourname.com. You can do those. There's a lot of options you can do. And the way a Bust Name works, it helps you brainstorm. So say, for example, you're looking for, let's say, affiliate. There's nothing currently existing for that, obviously, because it's a single word, whatever. But you can go down here to basic options, do 2-word combine or 3-word combine, and that would give you multiple options. So we can do affiliate, and we can do $25. That puts them both in there, right? So what this tells you is 25 affiliates available, affiliate25.com is available, $affiliate.com is available, affiliate dollar. Like these are all available so far, and you can keep going, right? You can do and now you can see what else is available. So is that really available? Affiliatetraining.com. Let's see. These are all affiliate links here. I typically will copy it and just type it in my Namecheap browser. Let's see here. What is that? Affiliatetraining.com. Let's do that. So I just do this. So I'm pretty sure that's taken, but it'd be crazy if it wasn't. Yeah, it's probably been taken for a long time too. Anyways, so it's not 100% accurate, but it's going to help you get on the right path and what you want to take, which one to look for. So just put your phrases in here. It's going to spit out some options here. I mean, you can use this if you want on the side, the number 4 here, if you want to click through there for their affiliate links. They have different prices here. Just keep in mind that GoDaddy charges a bunch for privacy, and then they try to upsell you into protection, so it gets stupid. So I just recommend, I mean, Namecheap has been fantastic for me for domains, and if you want to get hosting at some point down the line with them, they're great for that too. And they also have a private email for a very affordable price. So I recommend Namecheap. Next thing here in the list is you want to have an autoresponder. Now I recommend GetResponse. So you can just click this link right here for GetResponse. This one right here is going to you get a free account, free trial. I think it's 30 days. Might be shorter. I forgot. Anyway, the reason I like GetResponse is as you move up in your affiliate journey, it allows you to have marketing automation. Which is the main thing I like it for, and I'll be teaching that in a later video on how to segment your list through automation. So basically what that means is if someone comes into your list and they don't open, you want to get them off your list. So you track that, or you segment, meaning you have a funnel coming in the top, then as things come down, they segment off in different branches. So if someone opens, they get sent over here. They don't open, they keep going down. And then once they no longer open, you send them back to a re-engagement campaign, give them another shot, another automation shot, and then if they don't do anything there, they're off. Because that, if you keep those people on your list, it reduces your deliverability, it reduces your reputation that you have with the email provider, and it's just the way you want to handle things. It gets really geeky, really techy, but it's the way you want to handle things to make sure you have better inboxing and all that fun stuff. But I do recommend GetResponse. There's a bunch of good ones out there. There's GetResponse, there's Aweber, there's SendLane. Those inactive campaign. Those are probably the top 4 for affiliate marketing. My preference just happens to be GetResponse. I've used a lot of them. I used Aweber years ago. They're all good for affiliate marketing, but I just like the automation that's embedded into GetResponse. SendLane was fantastic when it first launched, but they've raised the price significantly for like lower level accounts. And so in my opinion, GetResponse is where it's at. As long as you segment your database, you're going to get placed on good IPs. If you just neglect your list and just blast whenever you want, you're likely to not get a good IP. So just keep that in mind, and so I'll have a future video that will show how to do that. So GetResponse is what I recommend for your autoresponder. Then once you have your domain name, once you have your autoresponder set up, next thing you want to do is you want to sign up for HBA. HBA is a funnel builder / page builder. I'm going to mute that right there. It costs you $25 per month. This $25 a month literally gives you a ability to create a capture page and multiple ones, and so you can actually have this have the whole affiliate program work. Now you're not limited to only promote HBA through this system. You can have as many capture pages as you want to have, and so it's very helpful for that. Here's an example of the capture page, and if you just go to $25funnelbusiness.com, you can see here this is actually using Home Business Academy's funnel builder, and so you want to make sure you sign up for that. So to do so, let me get a drink here. You want to click this link right here. Once you click that link, it's going to take you to this page. You don't click this green button right here. Once you click that green button, it's going to take you down to the bottom of the page. Enter your information in here. And I do suggest that you take this offer right here for premium. It's free for 2 weeks. It costs you $0 for 2 weeks. This way, what this will give you access to, and I'll do this in another video, but what this will give you access to, the premium right here, traffic and conversion. So with the funnel builder, you get the actual funnel builder, and you get the page builder that actually creates the funnels for you, creates the capture pages that ties into your autoresponder. Now the premium does cost $125 per month, but what that gives you, it gives you all the training for traffic and conversions, like how to market. So you're going to get some training here from this YouTube channel, but you're also going to be able to get some training from them, and their community is pretty awesome. They have multiple weekly meetings. They have a Telegram chat that's very active, Facebook page very active, and so for the $125, you get quite a bit, and you get a nice community to work with. What's great about this product is by itself is other things that you might promote. They require you to do a lot of hand holding for the people that you bring in. This is designed in such a way that the community takes care of everybody. So what that means is you have support questions, you have help questions, or whatever questions. Yes, you can reach out to me. Yes, you can shoot me an email. Yes, you can text me. However, you can also hit up the community, which is ideal because that way the community will, rise and tide raises all ships kind of thing. So it works out really well. But anyway, the premium is $125 a month, and I definitely highly suggest that you do that for the first. Get the premium for the first 2 weeks for sure. That way you can get launched properly. You can get on some calls. You can meet the team, if you will, the whole community, and that way you can get started. So again, it's $25 to get started to get the actual funnel, the capture page, the builder, the funnel builder, and then it's $125 there for the premium per month. But definitely sign up for the first 2 weeks for free. You can just cancel. You don't want it, but you're going to get a lot of value out of that. That is where the actual marketing skill set training is. If you just need the funnel builder, just need to do that. But if you need some training, the training here is actually really legit, and it's powerful. And so recommend that. And then the last thing here is my lead gen secret. What this is a place you can go to, and it's a platform that for $30 a month you get 100 leads a day to mail. Once you refer someone in here, you get additional 100 up to 200 total per day to mail for $30 a month. And so this here is how you can actually get started right away to start mailing out. So to grab this, you just want to click on Use My Secret Now, put your email address in here you want to use, and then you're going to go ahead and go through the process of getting started. There is a $30 setup fee, so it's going to cost you $60 the first day, and then $30 a month thereafter. There is going to be an upsell for master email swipes. You do not need them, but you can get them if you want, but they're not necessary. What you're going to ultimately want to do is you want to have multiple of these accounts. Now, I use 5 currently. I recommend at least 3, but you're going to have up to 5. And that's covered in other videos as well on how to do that, but just kind of give you an idea of what you want to do. You want to do that. But you want one to get started because you want to have your one account set up so you can actually purchase each additional account through your own accounts. You're going to daisy chain them. So you're going to click on the link in this document here, get signed up. Once you're signed up, you're going to see that you have a link at the very top of the page that's going to have your referral ID right there. And once you have your referral ID, you're going to take that and you're going to get your next account through that. And then you're going to take that referral ID, get your 3rd account, take that referral ID, get your 4th account, take that referral ID, get your 5th account, and that's how up to 5 accounts. You can do 3, you can do 5, whatever. But I recommend minimum of 3, and then up to 5. That way, for 5 accounts, all getting 200 leads a day, you get 1,000 leads per day that you can mail, because you can mail once every 23 hours. And so this is what I encourage you to do. This is what I recommend. And you can check out the other training that's there to get started on everything else. There's going to be more training coming. I'm also going to revise the existing videos a little bit. But again, this is the tools and the setup you need to get started right away. I mean, this is the foundation of what you need. Then once you have this set up, you can implement the other training to go through it all. And then so once you get these things purchased, what you'll do is you'll go into the Home Business Academy, you'll go over to Affiliate Zone, and then you're going to watch all 4 of these videos. These 4 videos are going to show you how to connect to your SamCart, which they provide for you, no cost to you. Show you how to connect to SamCart, and then you're going to, that way that is connected. So you can see here, once you get SamCart, you get your link, your actually affiliate link, so you can promote this product. You need that before you mail. That way you have your affiliate link. So you want to go through these 4 videos here, and then as we go down, shows you how to get traffic to your funnel, and there's going to be some additional trainings over here that actually take you through how to set up your autoresponder and all that. Now I'm going to have some videos where I cover this as well, But in the meantime, you're going to have the ability just to follow along with this training right here, and it's going to take you through step by step on how to get all that connected. So hope that helps. Also, something that's brand new, which is awesome. If you have any questions while you're doing this, the bottom right hand corner, I don't know where it's out on the screen, down here. The bottom right hand corner, you can click on Sage. Sage will actually allow you, it's a chat bot, but it's going to help you kind of navigate if you have questions. So if you get stuck or have questions, again, you have the Telegram community, again, you have the Facebook groups, you have the multiple meetings per week, but here you can also have a chat bot, which will plug you into support. And so, yeah, pretty awesome setup. So again, this document should be in the description below. If you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel to get notified of more videos. Click the bell and all that. Yeah, and so hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Again, my name is Richie, and talk to you next time. Thank you.